Question: is homeschooling legal in Portugal? Yes. Homeschooling, ensino doméstico, and individual teaching, ensino individual, are both legal in Portugal and regulated by the Decree Law 70/2021. Who is allowed to homeschool a child in Portugal? A parent, a legal guardian, or another adult who lives with the child and holds at least a bachelor's degree, what we call in Portugal licenciatura, can be designated home educator. Alternatively, you can hire a qualified teacher for individual teaching. What documents are required to apply for homeschooling in Portugal? Usually, the formal request, requerimento, for homeschooling, degree certificate of the home educator, for individual teaching, criminal record certificate of the tutor, and proof they are qualified to teach. Which school should my child be enrolled in for homeschooling in Portugal? The child should be enrolled in a public or private school chosen by the parent or legal guardian. How does the enrollment process for homeschooling work in Portugal? The parent or guardian submits a formal request and required documents to the chosen school. For homeschooling, the school director decides within 15 working days. For individual teaching, the school director issues an opinion within 10 working days. What is the collaboration protocol and what does it involve? It is an agreement between the parent and the school detailing the organization and monitoring of the child educational path, responsibilities, curriculum management, and assessment methods. It is required by law and must be signed before the enrollment is effective. What qualifications does the home educator need to have in Portugal? For homeschooling, the home educator must have at least a bachelor's degree, what we call in Portugal licenciatura. For individual teaching, the tutor must be qualified to teach according to the Portuguese law. What is the difference between homeschooling and individual teaching in Portugal? Homeschooling, education at home by a family member or another adult living with a child with at least a bachelor's degree. Individual teaching, education at home by a tutor who is qualified to teach under Portuguese law. If you found this helpful, follow me for more homeschooling in Portugal tips. Links in the description. Thank you for watching.